Hi there. Do you realize how the way we speak influences the way people look at us as persons? The fact is, when we speak well, the ideas we present and the way we present them are a lot more powerful and engaging. When we speak well, our thoughts are clear and people will listen. After all, communication is all about connections. Paul Mayer, the pioneer of the self-improvement industry, said that communication, the human connection, is the key to personal and career success. So don't overlook the power of speaking well. That's why I'm here to tell you about this revolutionary method called reverse engineer phonetics. In just 8 hours, you will learn 9 key steps, just 9, to turn you into a more influential speaker. It's reverse engineered, meaning we start with the end in mind. So I encourage as many of you to learn and master these 9 key steps of speech that will immediately make you a more effective and influential communicator. This program is only available here. So I look forward to having you in my masterclass. I'm Joseph Wong.